Hi, this is Design Guy. Want to make your own movie-style credits? I'll show you how using Canva. Learn how to create rolling credits in Canva with these easy, step-by-step instructions for beginners. First, type rolling credit into the search bar. You'll see a variety of related options appear. Browse through the results to find the rolling credit style that fits your project best. Choose the design that best fits your occasion from the available options. For this example, we'll select one as a sample. Select the template you want by clicking it. Next, customize this template to fit your needs. Adjust any settings, text, or images as necessary to create the perfect project for your specific requirements. Click to play this video. As it begins, you'll notice text elements appearing on the screen. These on-screen texts are what appear in our videos to provide information, highlight key points, or offer instructions throughout the playback, enhancing the viewer's understanding and engagement. In this layer, you'll see all the videos that have been uploaded. To add audio, you have two options. Either upload an audio file directly, or click on the Elements tab and select Audio. From there, you can browse and choose the track you want, or type to search for a specific audio file. To add an element to your video, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. For example, if you want to include music, select the music file from your library, then drag it directly into the timeline below your video track. This action quickly adds your chosen audio to the project. Drag the effect handle and stretch it across the entire clip. This ensures the effect is applied throughout the whole video. Once it covers the full length, you can proceed to the next editing step. Select the item you want to remove, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. This action clears space so you can place something else. Select the new sample from the list, then click the play button to listen and preview the sound. You can also edit the text for this video. Click on the text element to select it, then make any changes you need. Just like with other videos, remember to add the required information here as well. Be sure to review your edits before saving to ensure accuracy and consistency throughout the project. Position the item precisely so it only appears at the desired time and location in your video. This prevents it from showing in other clips or images. Simply drag and move the element until it's in the correct place on your timeline. Click this option to expand the section. Once expanded, you'll have full access to the contents inside. That completes the step. Proceed to the next instruction when ready. You just learned how to make rolling credits in Canva. Perfect for your next project. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.